Welcome to our gardening series for beginners. In this video, we will cover some basic tips and tricks to help you start your own garden. The first step in starting your own garden is selecting the right location. Look for a spot that gets plenty of sunlight and has well-drained soil. Next, prepare the soil by testing its pH level and adding any necessary amendments. This will ensure that your plants have the best chance of thriving. When selecting and planting seeds or seedlings, choose varieties that are well suited for your climate and soil type. Take note of the plant's sun and water requirements as well. Proper watering is essential for the health of your garden. Make sure to water your plants at the base and avoid getting water on the leaves. Organic pest control methods are a great way to keep pests and diseases at bay. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of infestation and take action as soon as you notice any issues. Plant care and maintenance is essential for a healthy garden. This includes tasks such as pruning, deadheading, and fertilizing. By following these basic tips and tricks, you can start your own garden and enjoy the benefits of fresh, homegrown produce and beautiful flowers. Happy gardening! Thanks for watching. For more gardening tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos in this series.